Sana all my starter. Kasama natin si Lodi Maverick Server Farm. Punta tayo ng Upper East. Oh, doon tayo. SJC. Tagal na to. Silencer lang. Dito yung mga Supermoto Farm. Hindi na Server Farm, Supermoto Farm. No? Yung KRY lahat to. Pero ito, grabe itong modification. So dito kay Bugoy, ito kay Dexter, Lodi Maverick. At ito naman sa atin. Kaka-lift lang to. Yan, nalagay ko yung sticker ni Dexter kasi siya nag-rebuild ng suspension natin. So let's go na Server Farm. Upper East, here we go. So there you go. Now you have 3. Kailangan na pala i-extend yung side stand natin sa Server Farm. Dito tayo ng mga Dex. Painit muna. Hi. Amo na, hi. Hi. You don't want to. Siya, amo na, hi. Amo na, hi. Para may fans ka. Para may kwarta. Teka lang, bago kami pumunta ng Upper East Server Farm, bili mo na camera doors. Ewan ko ba pwedeng uminom dun? Let's see. Dito yung binibilhan namin sa Montebello. Kasi mura dito yung beers. At kung ano-ano pa. I thought you're buying Gold Eagle. Yeah?
Oh, you will?
Yeah, I can. 1 liter each? Yung lugar na palaging traffic dito sa Mandalagan. Traffic na traffic light. Level na yung ano, yung handbars. Level na talaga. Parehas first gen eh.
Pag sinakyan mo, bababa naman yung port.
Oo, tama. Oo, tama. Extend this life. Tagal, shit. Ito lang yung pinakamatagal na traffic light na lalong naging traffic, men. No, walang traffic dito, men. Para tamang-tama lang. Oo, sobrang traffic na. Dito na kami sa Server Farm, liliko. Oh yeah. Bet ko yung car wash dito. Hey. Howdy. Saan kayo magpa-park? Sa dulo, sa dulo. Diyan tayo sa pinakadulong dulo. Pwede off-road unti. Do you think we can park over there? Hindi namin alam kung pwede dun eh. Pero walang mga ano eh. Kung ano babalik, dito na lang. Okay, dito na lang sa Server Farm. Yeah, let's go. Hanap tayo foods. Ano kayo sa Server Farm? Ayan oh, takoyaki. Damn bro, what's that place again? Can I use the book bag? Is it heavy? Or not? It's good. Yeah, we have a tourist. We have a tourist. Yeah, this now is packed. Damn, this shit heavy. What the? How many bottles are here? Okay, that's why he chose the lights. It's only a light drink. So it's mixed. It's Red Doors. Okay. Well, which one you want? Ano gusto mo, Dex? Ikaw, Dex. Takoyaki? Yeah, we'll just buy takoyaki later. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a good choice. Well, honestly, we can go to the other place that's for free.
This road is very empty.
Empty, ah.
It's and
Parang ano lang, access road.
but this is a private area, right?
Teka, wala pa kami mahanap, Sir Fam. Mamaya na lang kapag may mahanap na kami. Iba na hahanap namin dito. Yeah, we're looking for a different thing. Isa-isahin na namin to, Sir Fam. They have soft taco, burrito. Yeah, they have. We should just park our bikes here then. But it's okay. But maybe we can find some better ones.
It depends on y'all.
Yeah. We'll try to go around again. Okay lang. Oh, ito yung masarap rin, no? Nachos. Alam mo na. Alam mo na lahat. Sabihin na, tikman mo na lahat. Oo.
Less sugar. Less talaga sugar.
Ano itong mga spam? Maraming white smoke kanina, men.
Okay na ako sa kape.
Overdose ka na sa kape. Limit na. Ito, rice meal to eh. Pero yung white smoke kanina nakita mo, marami? Hindi.
Sa akong pagtansa, medyo minimal pa naman.
Okay.
Ang main issue dyan is either yung bag seal mo is kailangan palitan. Naman bag seal. Or yung
ito. Ito yung, this is the churros. That's also long. The burger. Parang wala pa ako nakita na pleasing sa mata ko, men. Na nacho fries or nachos. Sige. Excuse. Tabi-tabi. Sabihin mo tabi-tabi instead of excuse, no? Gusto kong mabubusog tayo kasi inom eh. The quarter point.
pero ano lang, 10 to 10 check mo lang ang oil level.
11.
Pag amo na, pag nag-white smoke, nag-emit white smoke, typically yung engine oil may pumapasok na sa piston, combustion. Pagka naubos ang engine oil mo,
Wala na. Sige, check off. I-drain ko na siguro soon. Magpapalit rin ako ng oil eh. I think there's a lot of people here. It's fried noodles. Ayaw ko, men. Ang choosy natin, ah. Ito, only rice. Oh, there you go. There's only rice, and there's a seat over there. Wait. Damn, there's a lot of beers here. They just don't know. Maybe I ask somebody if it's okay to drink here, but okay dito, Sir Fam, kasi doon kami order, tapos doon ang yung takoyaki. Yeah, I haven't seen nobody drinking. Maybe it's a no-no.
I think it's a no zone.
No alcohol zone. Okay, basta-basta uminom, baka ulihin kayo dito. There. Where is that? Basta, dirt related, titingin talaga yan.
That man will...
Even last time, right? Even we see dirt bikes, we really move closer and damn, this thing's different. As long as may nakita ka, parang kakaiba to ah.
They're looking at your tire and they're
Yeah,
looking
tire.
at the setup of Dexter's bike. Is this
Yeah, is this the same?
Yeah, is this the same?
Yan, katulad yan. Rally yata yan eh. Yeah, this a rally type. Yan yung pang enduro, maganda. Yeah. Bumalik kami dito, Sir Fam. Yeah, this thing looks big. Yeah, bumalik kami dito, Sir Fam, sa first multicab.
Quesadilla.
I'm curious also what it tastes like, the quesadilla. I hope it's yummy. Lilipat namin sa Sir Fam kasi doon yung malapit. Medyo malapit yung motor namin. Pero nandun yun, no? Pinaka-order is?
70 pa ko.
One bite. So it's 468.
Tingnan pesos.
Yun ba?
Shit, dahil mo.
Man, sinabi ko sa kanya, yung about sa appendicitis. Pagkatapos mo lang kumain, tapos uwi ka magmumotor. Kasi vibration. First gala ni Dexter sa Forbes. Ay, hindi pala Forbes. Sa ano pala sa Mega World. Ngayon, naka-record na. Mahaba-habang tulak to. I will go the same way, bro. I will go the same way. How's the route when I turn? Time to go. Sana all push start. Uwian na. Pero iinom tayo sa perform sa bahay. Mamaya para podcast ulit. Saan si Dexter papunta? Iikot na pala. Kay Bugoy hindi umandar, oh. Sige. Sige, thumbnail ko yan. Saan kaya kami makahanap dito? Maganda ang spot para mag picture. Dito men, pwede na dito. Yan. Ikaw lang magganyan ng phone, no? Or gusto mo ito gamitin mo sa akin?
Pangit ang camera lang.
Ganyan mo? Sige. Ang ganda na ang suspension ko sa harap. Salamat, Dexter. Dito tayo sa pa-shortcut. Whee! Parang wala nang lubak. Iba talaga yung kakatapos na mga rebuild na suspension. Alanganin tuloy pa rin. Iba yung parehas sa sprocket. Hindi ko mahabol. Parehas lang. Una talaga. Yan ngayon men, umuusok. Ramdam. Hindi na. Okay. Tiptoe squad. Dream about this, bro. It's happening now. Sila naman tong prank ka to. Bilis ni Bugoy. I'm stuck, man. What the hell? Wala na yung dalawa. Wala na. So that's it, Super Fam. Let's end the vlog right here. Kasi di na natin nahabol sila. Mamaya na lang sa bahay. Madilim na, oh. Wala pa dito yung dalawa. You said you're fast. We'll just drink here outside or inside.
Depend on y'all. I like it out here because it's breezy.
Oh, doon tayo, men, no? Sa lamesa. Di, ang ganda ng motor ko. He will get your revenge on you, bro. He said, next time he will take that on scooter bikes here, bro, while drinking.
Yan po yung main headlight. Sa main headlight, may 2 modes. May high and low. This will be the low, this will be the high. Pero pareho
lang, no?
Pareho lang. Parang yung low, parang high na talaga.
Sobrang liwanag, Silver Farm.
Yan yung pinaka... Actually, itong headlight ko at yung mini, isa lang ang relay niyan.
Okay,
kung dadalawahin ko, mas malakas
Mas
pa
malakas,
sana.
oh.
Kaso isa lang para hindi...
Pero direct sa battery, di ba?
sa battery.
Good.
Tapos yung pangalawa, yung mini driving light. Ayan. May 3 mode yan. May...
Tatlo?
Tatlong. Ito yung yellow lang. Sorry. Itong
Puti lang.
White, tsaka yellow lang. Yellow and, mode 1, white. Mode 2, yellow. Mode 3, yellow and white.
Okay. Wow.
Mode 3, yellow and white. And ang mode 4 is, gusto ko ng passing light, i-off ko lahat. Tapos mamili ako ng mode. Halimbawa,
What the heck?
That's suave.
what do you call it? We will choose a...
Even Dexter's confused.
About
the modes.
Gonna choose a passing light if I wanna go overtake. This is not a fixed button. It's just a push button.
Ayos, oh.
Passing light. If I want to go to yellow, if I want to do both.
Kaya pa ang dami mong buttons dyan.
Damn, that's nice.
Ang dami kong buttons dyan. Lahat working yan. Ito turn signal.
Okay pala yung domino.
Tapos ito yung wala, lahat yan working. Ako lang nag-wireless.
Ayos.
Lahat